Hello, and welcome to the About Nothing Show. I'm your host, Corey. Today's topic is investing. With today's inflation running 3+% on a yearly basis, sometimes hitting even higher, leaving your money just sitting in a checking account or a savings account at your local bank isn't always the best idea. So I wanted to put out some alternatives for you. Maybe you could at least keep up with inflation, if not outperform, I guess you could say, inflation to maybe grow your nest egg. So, first off on the list is a low risk, low reward type investment, and these would be your money markets, CDs, bonds, T-bills. These type investments generally will bring you 3 to 4%, and at least will keep up, maybe slightly outperform inflation. These type investments are good for people that are in retirement or about to retire. It's meant to preserve your capital. There's less risk involved, less risk of losing your capital. So it's a safe investment for retirees and those about to retire. For those who maybe have a little longer time horizon, there are other type of investments that you can take, and that would be the stock market. So you can invest in individual stocks or ETFs or buy a mutual fund, something that's correlated to the stock market. Generally, the stock market has a proven track record. You can expect at least 8% on average per year. The past several years, the stock market's been averaging 12+%. You can't always count on those gains. It's subject to take a drastic downturn at any time. So just beware if investing in the stock market. There is a chance that you could lose your capital. Generally, in the long run, has been proven to be a good investment. Next would be gold and silver. Gold and silver is an old tried and true savings method. You buy the bullion, hold it in your own possession, and it has proven over the course of time that the bullion will keep up, especially gold, will keep up with inflation and outperform. As a matter of fact, for this year, gold and silver have both outperformed the S&P by a large margin. I believe the S&P is currently up around 12-13% on the year. Gold is over 50% on the year, and silver is over 50% on the year. So next on the list is more of a newer type investment, and that is cryptocurrencies, and more specifically Bitcoin. I myself have never messed with any other crypto other than Bitcoin. Since Bitcoin's inception in 2009, it has outperformed every other commodity out there. It has outperformed gold. It has outperformed the stock market. It does take drastic downturns, and it does have very drastic moves up. So, it's not for everybody. It can be a roller coaster ride. So be careful with Bitcoin or any other crypto. Be willing to lose whatever you put in it. That's safest advice I can make. And as you can see from my chart over here, it has been nothing but a nice ride up for me. So, and I've used just about every one of these type investments that I've talked about. So I own a little bit of bullion. And speaking of bullion, this is a 2013 Silver Eagle. It is 0.999 fine silver, And on the head side, it has the Goddess of Liberty. And on the back, it has the U.S. Eagle crest. So this is something you can take possession of. And this coin, I think I purchased it about 2 years ago for less than $30. Today, it's close to $50. So it's a good investment. And again, you can see that investing pays off. What's that? What do you mean, turn wrong? Turn up. Like that? Well, this is quite embarrassing. So the moral of this story is, you never know when you can take a downturn. So don't trust people that you hear on the internet when it comes to your money. Do your own research and make your own decisions. This is not financial advice. See you on the rebound.